Databricks is now putting AI agents directly onto manufacturing production lines. This is a huge step for real-time decision-making, connecting data generation with immediate action. Many factories struggle with too much data but not enough insights, because information is trapped in different systems. Databricks brings all that operational data together with business data. This allows AI agents to analyze exactly what's happening on the plant floor right now. Instead of waiting until after a shift, these AI agents can spot issues and suggest fixes instantly. They use a human-in-the-loop system where an orchestrator directs AI agents for specific tasks like downtime analysis or quality control. Managers review and approve AI recommendations before they are acted on. Databricks AI agents are revolutionizing manufacturing with real-time production line optimization.